guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro, here to talk to you about pre-approved plans again. Why am I pushing this subject? We get a lot of phone calls. DJ, we want an ADU and my mom wants to move in next week. Well, that's not going to happen. I wish I could be a witch and get that thing popped in your backyard right away, but it just doesn't happen that way. Standard process, we come out and design your ADU. That takes 30 days and we get it submitted to your city. That's 3 to 4 months. Now with pre-approved plans in most of these cities in Southern California, you can get approved within 30 days at a minimal cost. You're going to save thousands of dollars and months and time by contacting your city and ask them they have pre-approved plans for the ADU you want. Or let us do all the work for you, and we'd be more than happy to do that. Contact us at 800-929-9812, and we'll contact the city for you and let you know what pre-approved plans they have, if they have any, and what will fit in your backyard. They even have pre-approved garage conversion plans in certain cities. So give us the opportunity to help you get into your ADU as soon as possible. Give us a call at 800-929-9812 or DM us at the link below, and we'll get somebody on it for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Give us some more likes. DJ, the ADU Pro.